It's got to be a red somewhere. There's a stick right there. Redfish like sticks. Even though I missed. I told you redfish like sticks. Redfish like sticks, guys. Yeah, baby. All right, y'all. We got a new boat. Sold my other one for reasons I'll explain later, but take a look. We got ourselves a... I'm working on something nicer. I got some money for my boat and I found this one really cheap. It's got a 30 Mariner on it that runs like a champion. I'm gonna change that out one day. Brian let me use it until I get a regular handheld trolling motor, because I hate the foot control. And yeah, we're gonna go out. We can get real shallow in this boat and we're gonna see what we can find. So let's take her on a spin. There's one. Oh, no, that was a good fish. That was a good fish. Oh, man. Kind of felt like a big flounder. Oh, gosh. Dang it, man. That was a weak hook set, and that was a late hook set. He had it forever. Ladyfish? Man. Come on, baby. Jig head's way too heavy for shallow water. Come on, baby. All right, come on. Come on. Come on. I'm setting the hook hard in this next one. I'm not pulling like a little baby girl. What is that? That's a red. It's a flounder. I knew that first one was a flounder. Oh, a nice one too, baby. I knew it. I told y'all. That's what the first one was, a big flounder. Look at that one. Yeah. On the old matrix shad. I knew it. Let's see here. Look at that one. Nice flounder right there. He goes about 19 inches or so. That's beautiful. That's beautiful. We'll take him. If anything, we're gonna cook a flounder. We will cook a flounder. I think that first one was a really big flounder. I mean a really big one, because the way he felt him come towards the boat, and he shook his head, but he was really heavy. You're out. Hey, little guy. Go ahead and kill this motor. I just was jigging on my way out, and happened to come upon a trout. Keeper. See if there's anyone else home. Oh my gosh, y'all. I just lost a really nice flounder. Oh my gosh. What is happening? That was another good one. Oh. I don't even think he was hooked the first time. He just was. Look at this. I don't think he was hooked. He just was holding the bait and I was reeling them in. Look at this. Look at that. Speckled bird. Ooh, he's got it. Oh, dang it. Sorry. He's got some nasties on him. Look at that. Let him go. Hey, we caught a trout. That was definitely beat up. You're right up there. I mean, this isn't where I really do my red fishing, but there's always some reds around here. I just don't come over here too often. This is complete opposite end of the spectrum where I fish usually. But I always catch a red or two. You know, sometimes they're pretty good back here, but like, I don't know what's going on. There's something. I think it's a little red. Oh, it's a keeper red. And we got the inshore slam. Yeah. You elusive son of a gun. Let me explain what happened here. I had a bite, I missed him, I turned the camera on. And as I turned the camera on, this guy hit it after I missed the other fish. Yeah. And he's a keeper, baby. Nice little red right there. Let's put him on ice. My name's Bill Dance. Let's see. See if there's anything else, because he hit it. He hit it pretty. I got hit twice right there. It's pretty crazy. Pretty crazy stuff, guys. I'm going fishing with Bill Dance today. What do y'all think of that? Y'all like that singing? I've been told I have the voice of an angel. I've lost 2 nice flounder today. I'm talking maybe 10 pounds worth of flounder of the 2. So sad about it. So sad, man. I didn't set the hook. I was just kind of not paying attention. Trout. Hello, little buddy. Little fella. Little fillet. Alright, battery died, but I stayed in the same spot because I heard a fish. I heard a fish hit something back there, and I know it was a red. So we're gonna try to get him on camera. Dude, it's getting ugly behind me, man. Potential. I see potential everywhere. I see potential. Oh man, your boy's gotta get a bite. It's thundering all around me. Looks like we're about to have to go. We're about to go? That's how you speak English. Looks like we're about to go because I don't want to get hit by lightning. You know, lightning scares me pretty bad in an aluminum boat. So I don't like it, man. I don't like it. I want to get one more. Just one more. It's got to be a red somewhere. There's a stick right there. Redfish like sticks. Even though I missed. I told you redfish like sticks. Redfish like sticks, guys. Yeah, baby. Yes. Yes. Yes, sir. That's a bass right there. He thought he was a bass. He was in the sticks. Oh, that's a beauty. He's going back for his stickler. All right, we got a micro mini net. Get a little bitty net. Oh, that's a beautiful fish. Look how long this net is. About as long as my freaking forearm. Don't you do it. Don't you break me, son. All right, he's fighting though. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, get over here. What'd they say in Mortal Kombat? Scorpion said, get over here. Yeah, dang, that's a nice one. That's a nice one right there, guys. Let me go ahead and make sure my lens is clean. Yeah. And he really wanted that limbo. He swallowed it. I'm trying to freaking get this fish off. There we go. Another shot of him. Nice, nice baby. Boom, 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 boom. Grab me another limbo. For those of you that don't know, this lure is called a limbo slice matrix shad. So it's one of my favorites. It's up there. You got that. He really clobbered it. Like I was trying to say, I missed my cast. I didn't really throw where I wanted to, but he was still there. I know there ain't another one. All that noise I just made up there. All right, y'all. Y'all want to watch me drive off into the sunset or into the storms, into the lightning? Pick it up, drop it down. God, the little ones are so easy to pick up. Put this here. Grab my pack of Matwick sads. Hope y'all enjoyed the video and you know, stuff. Start the motor. Put it in drive. Clyde. And let's hurry up and get out of here. Yet I started drifting, didn't even put the trolling motor down. I threw on this dude. I did my outro and everything. What's up, friend? Ooh, you're a multi-spotter. Catching epic multi-spotters in the marsh every cast. Should I title it that? Look at that pot belly. Let's go ahead and measure him for good measure. Get it? Oh yeah, he's a keeper. She's a keeper. So I threw it like this, right? Like that. Lifted, and he was on it first jig. Pretty fun. You know what? You know what? I'm gonna put this trolling motor down. See, they do that. They give you that bite when you're trying to leave, so you don't get another bite the whole time. They know what they're doing. They're sick. This is sick fishery. But I got another nice flounder. Look at that one, baby. That flounder are nice right now. Every flounder I lost was big today. All right, he took my tail, but we'll get another. Hook it halfway down, quarter way down, whatever it is. Bam. All right. That flounder was everything. I missed him, right? He hit it right on the bank in like 6 inches of water. Set the hook, tail was gone. I'm like, and I saw him, his boil, his wake, and I'm like, okay, that was a flounder. I could tell. And guess what? Threw the tailless bait back on him, and he just didn't give a crap. He nailed it. Okay, I'm not even worried about the trolling motor. I'm standing back here by the motor, and I'm just going to drift and cast. Come on, Red. Come on, red. So like I said, anytime I'm looking for a flounder, my confidence is on points or cuts, little cuts, or banks where tide's kind of pushing around the corners. You know what I'm saying? You can get one right here randomly, but you'll know where they're going to be if you do get one. Like, it narrows it down with those points and those little cuts. And they're always going to be on the right off the, like, they're either going to be right on the point or they're going to be a couple jigs off right where the point starts to drop a little bit. Where you at, red? No more? Drop off, man. I guess I'll jig it just... Oh, there's a red. There's a red, there's a red, there's a red. Come here. Right on him. Watch this. Oh, where'd he go? He didn't hit it. He didn't hit it. He's there. Or he was.